Oh, are you okay?
Watch and learn. Watch and learn. Please.
Ow! I can't do that. Wait, Ariane, please.
My sister is annoying. I mean, not annoying.
No, please. So, and can you do this? Ariane, can you do this?
No. No.
You are a gymnastics sister.
How about this? Oh, not that. Not that. This. This. This.
So winning. Winning. Ariane. Okay, I'll do it. Oops. Sorry. But I
Oh, there you
of that. We're twins, but we're not the same height. We're twins, but we're not the same height. Okay? Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
We're the same clothes, but we're twins. The same size, but we're twins.
Go.
I can do that. I will prove you that we're twins. Excuse me. Ariane. Ready? Set. Oh. I did it.
I did.
No.
Get away.
Me too. Me too. Me too. Hey! Ariane, if you don't jump out in there, I will crush your bone to pieces. Let me do it. I'm gonna do something.
Tick tock. Tick tock.
Go, I will popular. You're gonna be popular.
What's